Good afternoon guys and welcome back. So it's coming up to Christmas time, so I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to show you guys my top 5 gift ideas for under $50 for any 4-wheel drive enthusiasts. Let's have a look. So the first thing on the gift list for under $50 is a Snatch Strap. So I actually got this one for my birthday last year, but they retail for about $35, which is pretty good. So it would make the perfect gift for someone that is either getting stuck all the time or someone that's not as experienced who is actually like to get stuck. So this one is rated to 8,000 kilos. It has got a length of 9 meters and is 65 millimeters thick. Also comes with 2 D-shackles and a carry case. And number 2 on the list is a tyre pressure gauge. Now these are absolutely essential to any 4-wheel drive enthusiast, so it makes for a perfect gift. They can just keep it in their glove box or center console. Even if they don't use it, it will definitely come in handy if they get stuck. They'll be able to let their tyre pressures down and hopefully they'll be able to get out. And if they don't, they'll be able to use that Snatch Strap. You got them as well. At only about $15 or $20, they are the perfect gift idea. And number 3 is also a handy tool to have in your 4-wheel drive to get you out of the shit if you get stuck. It is a mini fold up spade. Also comes with a nice little carry case to get it hidden away. Folds up nice and easily and they're really cheap. I picked this one up from Kmart for $8. And number 4 on the list is a good cleaning product. Now that you've got yourself out of shit, it's probably good that you give it a clean just to keep your 4-wheel drive in good condition. Now you can get a lot cheaper stuff than this, but I always go for one of the top brands, which is Bowden's, which is only $30 for this Nanolicious, which is still under that $50 budget. And number 5 on the list of perfect gift ideas for under $50. Very essential thing to have, especially if you're going out bush or up the beach, is a good light bar. Now I picked this light bar up from the 4-wheel drive Super Center for only $23. So well under that $50 budget and a great gift idea for any 4-wheel drive enthusiast to have. So those were my top 5 gift ideas for under $50, perfect for any 4-wheel drive enthusiast. If you think I've missed something or something should be added to that list, just drop it in the comments below and I'll have a look. And I'll hopefully get back to you. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be uploading videos weekly. Hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.